So we just finished up the studio tour, and we're going to go on Jurassic Park, which is only open until September before they shut it down and retheme this entire ride to Jurassic World. I don't know if it's going to be the same type ride or they're going to change it a lot, but in its current incarnation, only a little bit longer. Looks like they have the raptor encounter in here. Look at that awesome Jurassic Park sign.
Come with us now to a time before man, when the river flowed through a newborn world and giants fought. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Next up, we're going to do Revenge of the Mummy. I'm excited to check this one out because it's supposedly very different than the Orlando attraction. What's funny is it's only on a 15-minute wait right now. And check it out, Transformers in the background. So that was cool. Very different from the Orlando version. Some similarities, but a big portion of that was actually backwards, which was really cool. And on top of that, a lot more working animatronics on this one, which I really liked. So I really enjoyed that.
Entry.
Copy. Optimus Prime is in position.
Perimeter secure. Go for entry. Overwatch copy.
Transforming now.
Autobots, transform and roll out. Greetings, humans. I am Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobot army and sworn protector of my home planet, Cybertron, and now your planet, Earth. You are young species humans, but there is much the galaxies can learn from you. We are joined today, you will be pleased to know, by my loyal first lieutenant, known for his strength and bravery. Please make some noise and welcome 9,200 pounds of wit and bearing, Lieutenant Bumblebee. Welcome, B. Our commanders have assembled a fine group of recruits. Commander, safety protocols first, please, and then let's commence with the session.
Get right up here! Don't be shy! Move it!
So that was the lower level, and now we're heading to the upper level of the park. Look at these crazy long escalators. we just went up one. We've got 2 more to go up to get to the upper level of the park. It's kind of cool, very different. Remember, no pooping on the escalator.
For their safety.
That Transformers building you see in the distance and down there is how far up we are from the lower level where we just were. And now we're still heading up to the upper level right here. Silent Bob escaping from Springfield Penitentiary. Somehow right next to Springfield Elementary. Dracula's out here doing meet and greets during the VIP lunch. We are on a lunch break, so let's take a look at what they have. Nutella crepes, chocolate chip cookies. Look at all the yummy sweets. Filet mignon. French fries, chicken tenders. Short ribs, meatballs. Wow, there is a lot of food here. Look at that bread. Right there, eggplant. Some more of your vegetable options here. And over here is some more of your salady stuff. So you've got fruit, some charcuterie, cheese, lettuce, that kind of stuff over here. So much food here. Salmon, real chicken breast. Over here, mahi-mahi, mussels. I'm definitely going to get plenty to eat. In addition to Dracula, Lucille Ball's over there, and Doc Brown's right there. Kung Fu Panda Adventure is like their new thing here. Right across from it, they have Poe and Tigress doing meet and greets here, and right here is Mr. Ping, Poe's father, with Mr. Ping's noodles.
Lucy! Hi, Lucy. Hello. Come on. Here, I'll wait until this week. Well, you want the big stuff? Oh, good.
And what's cool is right next to Mr. Ping's noodles, you can get Mr. Ping's noodles. Secret ingredients, stir-fry noodles, dumplings, egg rolls, and bao. The lunch was really good. Lots of food. I shoved it all in my face, all the things. And next up, we are going to meet back up with our tour guide and continue our VIP tour. It's about 12:40 now. We started at 8:15, and there's still plenty to do. So, seems like a good deal. Look at this crazy thing. Super Silly Funland. It's like Minions themed, but it's just a small kid area. It doesn't go much deeper than what you see here. But looks like a lot of fun. Lots of water. Keeps your kids cool. It's 92 degrees right now. Next up, we're going to hit Despicable Me, which is basically a carbon copy of the version out in Orlando.
Everyday boring civilians like you. This one.
And next up, their newest attraction, this DreamWorks Theater featuring Kung Fu Panda. Huh. Would you look who's in the ticket booth right up here? Sleeping on the job, Pinocchio. Got my eye on you. Crazy is how close everything is here in this park. We're walking to the DreamWorks Theater where Kung Fu Panda is, and we're against the back of Hogsmeade right here. go on The Simpsons, but we just got off of Kung Fu Panda, and I gotta say, guys, that thing was pretty awesome. It was just, regular seats, but they moved and they rumbled and stuff like that. If you've ridden Shrek in Florida, you know what it's like, but it's newer and actually very, very cool. I really hope that they bring something like that over to Orlando because it's a good use of the space. If I had one negative thing to say about Kung Fu Panda is that you get wet no less than 5 or 6 times because it takes place on the river and they take every opportunity to splash you with water. So if you're into that thing, I'm not. Go in there. Next up, we're going to hit something exclusive to Universal Studios Hollywood, the Waterworld Show. It's a 20-minute stunt spectacular show.
Where is it? They're coming from the south! Get down! Focus on the gate! Down, everybody, get down! Stay down!
Saw Waterworld, getting out right behind me. It was a pretty cool show. Lots of special effects. You've probably seen footage of it online, but I would say as far as stunt shows go, definitely one of the better ones out there. Tons of pyrotechnics and people flying and falling and planes and boats and all sorts of cool stuff. Next up is The Walking Dead. No photography or video are allowed inside the attraction, so I'm going to put some stock footage right now. really good. That was straight up a Halloween Horror Nights house with a lot of the same sort of effects you may have seen in Halloween Horror Nights houses before. I really enjoyed that. The only thing is that, you know, because they do it all day, every day, I mean, they are on a schedule and they do it, and there's not a lot of room for improvisation, so if you miss a scare, you miss a scare. But it was cool. It definitely put me in the mood for Halloween Horror Nights. 2 more months. And we are wrapping up our VIP tour with a visit to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Here it is, very similar to Hogsmeade at Universal Studios Islands of Adventure, including the crowds at Hogsmeade at Universal Studios Islands of Adventure. Very cool. If you love Harry Potter and you haven't been out to Orlando, I would say come check this out because it's very, very similar. This is always an impressive view. Alright folks, it is about 4 o'clock and the tour just wrapped up, so that was a good 8 hours almost. Included breakfast and lunch and everything we showed you. We hit every ride here except one that was like a kiddie ride in that super silly land that I showed you earlier. So genuinely worth the price of admission. And Zan was our tour guide. Totally recommend checking out Zan when you come here. Request him. He was great. Tour cost was about $400. Like I said, that seems like a lot, but when you add up everything else separately that you get in the tour, it's actually a really darn good deal. Plus, you get like a guided tour. You know, there's someone with you the entire time, and I thought that was a really cool experience. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe, notification, thumbs up buttons down below. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you thought of this video and our previous videos, and you know what you would like us to do coming up. Plenty more videos coming up. Midsummer Scream is coming up. In fact, you've probably already seen those videos because I'll probably put those up first. But again, thank you guys for watching. We will see you next time.